I just picked up a looping transmission on one of the emergency frequencies. Tell me what you make of this.
I don't believe it. That's a distress call with Clank's signature. Aphelion, can you track the source?
The origin appears to be planetopedian. Acquiring coordinates now.
Just think, by tonight, we'll be safe and the clock will be ours. I'll be there as soon as I can.
Bonjour! I see you picked up on our little signal. Unfortunately, this is as far as you go! No! No, this is impossible! Marguerite! Do not reach the Citadel! Cannot interfere with Nefarious' plans to... Ah!
Aphelion, give me a status update on Clank's transmission.
The coordinates appear to be accurate, but the signal has weakened by 72.3%.
That means Clank's in trouble. Hold on, pal. I'm coming.
Well, well, well. If it isn't... Come to rescue.
Our quarrel isn't with you, Cassiopeia.
Cause no more trouble, huh? Karina and Libra are dead thanks to you. And now that we've gotten what we need from the caretaker, time has come. Valkyries! You've wandered right into our Valkyrie training course. No one has ever survived! Farewell. Take solace in the fact that you never stood a chance. Vile. You'll pay for that! Still alive? Well, let's see how you survive a silo of deadly nerve toxin. Ratchet. Vile. You'll pay for that!
Oh, man.
Hello. I see.
Time for another death trap.
I'm actually happy you survived the training course. It would have been a shame to lose such a worthy opponent to some cheap machine.
Speaking of cheap machines, how much is your boyfriend paying you to do his dirty work?
And an amusing observation coming from some orphan doomed to spend his entire life alone. And stay in the Great Clock forever. Yeah, he wants to leave you, didn't you know that? Don't worry. He gets the chance!
Clank!
Nothing compared to what I'm about to do to you.
Hello, Ratchet.
Hey, pal. How you doing?
Fine. You?
Yeah, fantastic. Yeah, I'm just gonna lie here for a while, though, okay? Whew. I'm sorry about your father, Clank. Should have stopped Nefarious sooner.
It is all right, Ratchet. Nefarious will pay for what he has done. The only thing that matters now is that we keep the clock safe.
Now, don't worry. Once the past's been corrected, you'll have the full support of the Lombax Praetorian Guard. The clock will be in good hands.
You do not understand. Time cannot be changed.
Or it could save an entire race of Lombaxes who risked their lives to defend this galaxy.
Ratchet, remember the Dimensionator. Some risks are not worth taking.
Well, maybe Clank's right.
Risk? Risk is what makes us who we are. Ratchet, our kind is lost without us. Think of how many that clock can save. Think of your parents.
I'm sorry. We need to stop Nefarious before he makes the same mistake we almost did. So, you coming, General? General?